I am going to harvest my sweet potato again. See? Ang dami naman nila ulit. So, I'm going to give this away again to one of my friends. So, yan. I don't have a lot of flowers at the moment. Kasi tinataban ako. So, but these are my sweet potatoes. So, tingnan nyo ang kamataba nila. Yan. So, I already harvested some. And then, there's also here. It's very lushy. So yan, I also have kangkong, but then konti lang yung kangkong na yan. And I also planted some tomatoes. So yan yung tomato ko, and then a flower, aloe vera, tomato. I'm just starting to plant some, ito naman pomelo from the Philippines. Yeah. So but it's also dying in one. So and then some more tomatoes. Meron na siyang coming up na mga bulak-bulak. So, I hope na it will grow nicely. Then, ito pa. So, I did not plant a lot this time kasi hindi naman mauubos. So, I just planted some na makukonsume namin. So, that's it for now. I guess, yan. So, maybe you will go with me as I harvest my sweet potato leaves. Couldn't go away just like that. Sakit-sakit ka daw? Ha? So what are we going to do? Because we still have to go later to the doctor. So I'm back. Ito siya. Mixture ng mga vegetable namin dito. Na ano, I did not throw it sa trash. Instead, I keep it. So, parang organic fertilizer siya. Blender ko the peeled vegetable at saka yung banana skin. Nilagyan ko ng tubig at saka nilagay ko sa blender. So, instant na fertilizer. To take this out. Put it here. Siguro dalawa lang yung lalagay ko dito. Just put two. Yan. And then, the other one is ito. Then, lagay ko naman siya dito. Yan. And then ito, hindi tumutubo. I don't know why. Lagay ko siya siguro dito. Ito, I'm not so sure if I want to transfer it here. Lagay ko din siya dito. And then move this a bit here. Ganon. Yan. And then I think I will put new soil dito. I need to transfer this one also. Yung dalawa. I need to get another pot. Ayan. Stand. And then siya. Lagyan ko din ito ng fertilizer. Yan. And then, I'm going to dig you out. Ha! Ano ba yan? I hope hindi siya malanta. Yan. Then, lagay ko siya dito. Lagyan ko siya ng bagong tubo na napakabango. Yeah. Bagong lupa. And then, I hope it will grow nicely. Isa pa. I will also transfer you. Yan. Don't wither away. Parang hindi sila. Oh, tingnan mo lang gamot. Let's see. Ito siya, tumutubo ng maganda. At saka ito din. I don't know if I'm going to transfer this one. I think I'm just going to leave it that way. Yan. And then, yung dalawa is ilalagay ko rin dito. Baho. Bro. I hope pamunga siya bago kami umalis. Siya. Ayan. Ang init. Then, ilagyan na din natin ng yung kape, hindi siya it's not going out. Yan. So, I guess I just need to put that like that. Oh. I hope tataba sila. Yan. And then, I'll put you here. then you also so they are cherry tomatoes. So let's just hope that they will grow nicely. Yung flowers ko, I need to plant also, replant them. Yan. And then I think I saw one here also. I think I'm going to put it here. Sa gitna. I hope it will not die. Yan. So yan guys. So guys, ito na yung tomatoes ko. It's done. At saka yung flower, purple flower. I hope they will all grow with some spring onions. Yan. Oh, there's a bird. There was a bird. Yan guys. So, until the next time. Ito pala yung ko. Hindi masyadong marami yung yung bulaklak. But new flowers are growing. So, yan. So, until the next time, and thank you for watching my video. Hi guys, so just a short update sa mga tomatoes na nireplant ko the last time. So, all went well, walang namatay. So, they are all growing nicely. So, yan. My talbos ng kamote is also growing. May mga flowers na siya. So, there's already flowers here. And then also here. Then meron pa dito. So, I hope they will grow nice. And then ito rin. Yan. So, I'm excited for it. And then ito din, oh. Yan. So, ito yung ko. Spring onions are also growing nicely. So, I hope na they will bear a lot of fruits. Yan. Garden. So, ito. Surviving. Yan. So, I wish you all a nice day. And till the next time. Bye-bye!